Hi, Murana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we will learn how to analyze the content within Google Sheets. Here I have used the GPT function and making a list by reading this article. You just have to copy and paste the article here, and you have to use this formula. You can grab this Google Sheet from file and make a copy. The link is in the description. So what I have used here, let's see, read this article and back with information, and I am using the GPT list function. Is keyword used in first line, used in second para, used in last para, keyword used for 3 to 5 times or not, what is the readability score of this article according to you, is there any external link. Obviously it will not find the external link from the text file, so you can ignore this parameter. Is there any research, reference, or stat-based information? His length is more than 500 or not? Is there content written as first person or not? Also, calculate overall optimization score based on above factors from 100, and it is the content, colon, comma, and select the cell. Press the enter. Now it will analyze the content based on the factors I have provided in this section. Now you can see the keyword cloth car seat is used in first line, is not used in the second para. The keyword cloth car seat is used 5 times. The readability score of the article is 60. There are no external links. There are no research, reference, or stats based information. The content is not written in the first person. Like I have done this, I have explored. Actually, the first when you write a content being a first person, it will increase the Google EEAT policy. It by and you can say it will help you to optimize your content according to the policy of Google EEAT. So what is this? It's you must have the experience and expertise and the authority within the niche. You must have the knowledge for this category, for this specific content. So when we write being first person, so it means I have explored this. What does this mean? I have the experience actually. So it's easy to rank the content quickly. So the overall optimization score is 70 out of 100. So now I can see I have to add some external links and add some research stats based information. For example, 35% of the US citizen, this kind of information, and also change the tone of this article. So it's a simple process to quickly analyze your article using AI, and these are the factors I am using for my personal websites, and these are ranking very well. So tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.